Happy holidays! Aren't these pretty? So sparkly. Snowflake clusters. To get started making these earrings, you will need 4 small freshwater pearls, and these are 4 millimeters. So you're going to need 2 for each ear. You're going to need 8 bugle beads. I have them in silver. You're going to need 4 for each ear, and you're going to need 14 small Czech glass crystals. These are in light pink and light green, and you're going to need 7 for each ear. You're going to need 2 large crystals. These are 15 millimeters, center drilled from top to bottom. 2 crystal rondells, those are 8 by 5 millimeters. 2 3 millimeter silver beads for the top. 2 headpins in silver, these are 2 inches, and these are 20 gauge, because you're going to need something heavy to hold the weight of the beads, the pearls, and the crystals. You're going to need 2 leverbacks in silver, and you're going to need 18 24 gauge gold headpins. I'm using gold headpins in the crystals and in the pearls. These headpins in silver are also 24 gauge, and I'm using these for the silver rondells, or bugle beads. For tools, you'll need your chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and flush cutters. I already made one side, so I'm going to show you how to do the other side. I already put my head pin through the bugle bead. I'm going to take my fingernail and bend the wire to the back so I have a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to come in with my flush cutters, and I'm going to cut about a centimeter away from the top of the bead. I'm going to snip that off, come in with my round nose pliers, and I'm going to roll the wire towards me, adjusting my pliers as I roll until I have a closed loop. Okay, let's do it again. I put the pearl on, bring it down to the bottom, put my fingernail on top of the pearl, bend the wire to the back, come in with my flush cutters. I'm going to cut 1 centimeter of wire, come in with my round nose pliers, hang on to the end, and start rolling it towards me, adjusting my pliers as I roll until my loop is closed. I'm going to continue on, and then I'll meet you back here. Okay, to recap what we've done, we have 7 crystals that are simple looped. We have 2 freshwater pearls simple looped, 4 bugle beads that are simple looped. We have our crystal, rondelle, we have our large crystal, our 2-inch head pin, our little silver bead for the top, and our lever back. Now we can start putting the earring together. So we're going to use our 2-inch head pin, and we're going to go down, bring the crystal to the bottom, and I'm going to add my crystals, pearls, and bugle beads. And it could be in any order that you like, but I'm going to start with a crystal. Then I'm going to do a bugle bead, and then I'm going to do a pearl. And I'm going to do the same order: crystal, bugle bead, and pearl. Then I'm going to add a crystal, and a crystal. And then I'm going to add my rondelle. Crystal, bugle bead, crystal, and bugle bead, and the last crystal. Then I'm going to put my silver ball on top. And it's really important that we shake it down because we don't want a lot of space in between the top of the bead and the lever back when we wire wrap. We want it to kind of stay firm. So that's our design. And straighten it out a little bit with our head pin. Make sure we shake it and hold it tight. Now we're going to do a simple loop. So instead of using my fingernail, I'm going to take my pliers, come to the top of the bead, and I'm going to bend it. Slowly bend it to the back until I have 90 degrees. Then I'm going to come in with my flush cutters cut off my 1 centimeter. Use my round nose pliers to bring the wire back towards me, rolling and adjusting my pliers until I have my closed loop. And then let's straighten it out. Let's open up our lever back, twisting it to the left until it's open. We can hang our earring on, and then we're going to close it back up by turning it to the right and giving it a pinch to secure it. And there you have your beautiful cluster snowflake earrings. Thanks for joining me. Happy holidays. See you again next time.